Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Veer video templates for social cuts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Veer video templates. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once on the home page, locate the login button. The login button is typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check that both entries are correct. Once verified, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login. You should now be taken to your Veer dashboard. From here, navigate to the Video Templates section. Explore the various categories of templates available. Select a template that suits your needs. Click on the chosen template to view its details. If you're satisfied, click on the Use Template button. You're now ready to customize your video. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete your project. Enjoy creating your social cuts with Veer video templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.